Making flatbreads with this awesome bread proofing set that Midyoo sent to me for review. It has all the gadgets and pieces that you need for any bread, even sourdough. So first I put in all the dry ingredients, mix it together with this really cool metal mixer. Works so well. Then I add the wet ingredients on top and mix all of that together as well until it becomes a dough. I'm going to put the recipe on the screen here for you. I actually doubled it. Once the dough comes together, put it on a floured surface, and I'm using this little mat. It's kind of sticky on the back and really good on the front, and it has different things for sizes, so for circles and just if you're doing anything square. Really cool. Knead the dough about 5 or 10 times. Mine looks a bit watery, usually it's a bit more dry, and then put it back into the bowl. Let it sit about 10 minutes, cover it with a towel. When it's ready, you pour the whole thing back out and split it into 6 pieces for a single recipe. Mine, I'm doing 12. Then add a little more flour to each piece and either roll it with a rolling pin or just with your hands, how I do. Just stretch them out. If you're going to make it a little bit thicker, it'll be a little more fluffy. If you're going to make it thinner, it'll just be a little more just flatbready and it'll have more surface. Then just take a frying pan and oil it. I use olive oil spray and fry about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. And that's how you make it. Beautiful flatbreads. And really easy to make with all the bowls and accessories from Midyoo. Really, really cool product for baking.